Okay, now for the homophones, I'll be sharing the slide of the PPT. You can just note it down in your notebooks also. And the examples you would be writing yourself. So again, I'll be repeating. Homophones are the words that have sound, but they have different spelling and different meanings. For example, there is the word blue, blue. One blue is the color and one blue means flew off, उड़ जाना. Second example is for homophone is sun, sun. एक होता है बेटा और एक होता है सूरज जिससे हमें लाइट मिलती है. Second is week, week. 1 week is the week that has 7 days और एक week होता है जो कमजोर होता है. sun, sun. There are two sun. In Hindi we say one sun is the Suraj and other sun is Beta. We have 2 sons and 3 daughters. Third blank, I can feel the sun on my back. S-U-N. So first is S-U-N, second is S-O-N, and third is again S-U-N. Okay, now let's have the fourth box. New, new. Quickly send the answers in the chat box and please send it privately. Don't send it to everyone. Only 1 minute for one box. Okay, Arlene has sent. Others, please send only 1 minute. About to get over. Weather and weather. Quickly, only 1 minute. 40 seconds left. Thirty seconds left. Fast. Fast. 20 seconds left. Yuvraj, in the second blank, you have written the spelling wrong. W-E-A. E is missing. Others answers are right. Hunar, all the answers are right. Very good. Arlene answers correct. Kasvi answer correct. Arlene second answer also correct. Okay, everybody has answered. Third answer is also correct, Arlene. Very good. Now let's come to the 9th box. Quickly. For this, now I'll be giving you only 40 seconds because there are only 2 blanks and your time starts now. Hardik, in for your answer, first answer, and your answers are wrong. Hardik, I'm sending you the correct answers. Please see. Hardik, I have sent you the answers for the weather privately. Kindly go through it. Okay, for blue, time's up. No answer. Blue. One blue is the color and other is flew off, matlab उड़ जाना. The wind flew off my hat. And second, he wore a faded blue shirt that matched his pale blue eyes, BLUE. No, Yuvraj, your photo is not coming. You can just check the settings once after the class. Till then, you can just tell about anybody or yourself using a pair of homophone or homonym. We are able to hear you. You can start. Yuvraj, fast.
How to start them?
You can start them. You start speaking. We are able to hear you. Yuvraj, you can start speaking.
My favorite color is orange. I love to eat orange.
Okay, more sentences. Homonym or homophone, anything. At least 5 to 6 sentences fast, Yuvraj, and answer fast.
Coronavirus spread through bat.
Fast.
Coronavirus spread through bat, and I love to play bat ball.
Okay, this mama has helped you, na, Yuvraj?
Yes.
No, tell mama not to help you. You are
Okay.
in now class 4, you can answer. Okay, so now next I would like to ask you, like it's a question for everybody. First of all, everybody unmute yourself. Everybody unmute yourself. Okay, now what do you think, according to you, that government should open the lockdown during the coronavirus, or the lockdown should continue? What do you think?
To open the lockdown.
Who said this?
Mommy.
Your name, please.
Early.
Arlene, if government will open the lockdown, the cases in India would increase. So you want lockdown to open and cases to increase?
No.
Okay. Okay. Somebody else?
Government should be continue the lockdown. The lockdown to be
To continue?
as it is now.
Okay. You want the lockdown should continue.
Oh, and close everything. The office also now.
Okay.
Because
Very.
the cases are increasing, and every day 10% people are dying.
Okay. It is not 10%. There are many people who are dying. We can't say it's 10%, but there are many people. Okay. Yuvraj, share. Yuvraj, you have muted yourself. At the bottom of the screen, there is an option unmute. Just unmute yourself. Then we would be able to hear you. Now we are able to hear you. Yuvraj, you can speak now.
Ma'am, there would be lockdown, but government.
There should be. There
Yes.
should be.
There
Okay.
should be lockdown, but the government has to open all the shops.
If government will open all the shop, then we all will go to buy things. So what is the meaning of lockdown? Lockdown means completely बंद हो जाना, कुछ भी ना खुलना, बंद हो जाना. But if shops would
week में 2 days हर shop को खोल दे और.
Okay, so it's a suggestion that we in 1 week twice a shop can be open. Very good. This is a good idea that they can do. Okay, now who is left? Kasvi? Okay, Hardik, tell. Just unmute yourself and share. Hardik, unmute yourself.
And lockdown has to increase